Hey, here I am standing in the river. No waders today, just going swimming. I'm making my way over across so I can go to that waterfall, man. I figure I might as well film it so other people can see where I'm going. Man, this is not even knee deep. Oh, is it ever cool too? That's like perfect temperature for swimming. Oh, then the hard part's done. This is a lot easier than the river crossing I did yesterday down by the mill there. Much more beautiful too. Oh man. It's like the further up the river I go, the cooler it is. Look at that. Oh man, I love this place. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, probably took me from the mill, took me 35 minutes, maybe 40 minutes to drive up here on my mountain bike. And, well, about an hour and 10 minutes, hour and 15 minutes in total biking up here. So, yeah. I don't know how far that is in kilometers. I'm thinking 15. It was mostly uphill. The wind's blowing this way upstream, so going home's going to be a little bit harder to do, I guess. Be pedaling into the wind, but man, I don't care. Look where I am. Yeah, I need some people to share this with. This is awesome, buddy. Oh man, am I ever happy I left Dartmouth. I had no expectations of this happening. I did not expect anything like this happen. You can see the river goes down, down, over. It looks like there might even be another waterfall down there. We'll see. Well, this is the one I want to see right here. And I'm sure you all want to see this. Look at this. Oh man, I bet it's cold too. Oh, it's a spring. Oh, is it ever cold? It's total spring water. Oh, I'm happy I brought some water bottles to fill up. Look at this place, man. Check this out, man. It's gotta be, I'm thinking 40 feet, 35, 40 feet high. I don't know. Check it out, eh? What do you think? Is that pretty high up or what? I love this place, man. This is cool. See, buddy's got his cabin right there. Oh. Woo, it's a little cold. Just a little bit cold. I almost want to climb it. No, man, I'm just going to hang out here for a little bit. Looks like they put some concrete blocks up there to block the water from flowing. Maybe if it was flowing too fast or something. Some more concrete down here that fell, I guess. Well, I guess it's not 100% natural. I'm sure the waterfall's always been here, but they probably put the concrete up there to keep the water flowing nice. Maybe to keep the sticks and stuff from falling down, eh? Oh, man, this is so cool. Oh, look, there's even a stump there. I can put it on a 10-second timer with the camera and maybe get some nice pictures of me standing there. Oh, man, you guys got to come down here. I need people to come here with me. Preferably people with mountain bikes. Because it's much better when you're enjoying the scenery on the way and not just driving by in a pickup. It's nice to drive by in a pickup too, but man, it's just a nice bike ride. Beautiful. Oh man, wait till I tell my mom this. She's gonna be amazed. Yeah. Too bad I couldn't get her up here to show her. Her and Bernie gonna like that video. I hope the rest of you are enjoying it too. There's a river right there. Well, first things first, I'm gonna fill my water bottle up and have a sip. Yep. I gotta have some of this water to drink. I know it's 100% drinkable. Look at the clearness. It's just like British Columbia, man. It's like BC, but in Nova Scotia. There we go. This is nice. Oh yeah. Here we go. We follow water, eh? Oh man, that is the cleanest water I've had in a long time. Amazing. Yeah. Excuse me. Now I know why a guy built a cabin over there, eh? Beautiful drinking water. All you have to do is come over and get it. Cheers. Awesome. Awesome. Yes. Well, I'm going to put my medicine bag up here. Here, I'll hang the medicine bag around the camera. How's that? There we go. I don't want to get my offerings all soaking wet there. As if they haven't in the past, eh? Yeah. Oh, this is cool. It's so cool. Oh, I'm almost scared. It's so cool. Ah, what? Oh, now that is nice. Woo. Hey. Whoa. It's shock the system. Wow. Oh, I think I need a break. Wow, that is so cold. I love it. Oh, I gotta get up out of the water for a second. Wow. Oh my God, that's so cool. It's like ice cold. It's like jumping in a lake that's in the middle of January. And it's drinkable too. Oh man, I love it. Well, hey man, I hope you guys like this awesome waterfall I found. Pretty cool, eh? Man, I'm impressed with this place. Check this out. Like, man, that is really cool. Awesome, eh? Well, hey, I hope you guys like this video, huh? Yeah. Place called Manganese Mines, Nova Scotia. Yep. Manganese Mines. Hey, thanks for watching. Cheers.